So how old was she when you got that?
3 weeks.
So we'd be quite into
I had to go to York.
Right.
Worst
I
trip
can
there.
go
Well,
so
yeah, I
far,
mean,
but that-
I've been all over the country. I mean, we've got dogs before now.
Yeah.
I remember doing one trip when I'd done a night shift, and I'd arranged to pick up a German short-haired pointer and a chocolate Labrador. One, we were in Croydon, one was at, just went and did it and came back and then went to night on nights and the same night. So.
Who's there?
It's in for a couple of years. And one of the first things he said was, "How's the owls?"
Right.
And I said, "Oh, they're great, thank you." You know, I said, "Got a new one." "Oh wow, what have you got?" I said, "Oh, down there." He was like, "Oh wow," and he just thought it was marvellous that I'd taken her in. I said, "Well, I wasn't actually sure if I'd get away with it or not." You know. "Oh, I must take a photo." He said, "Yeah, that's fine. There you go." Plonked it on the desk. It was great.
She's looking very contented, isn't she?
I bet she is after eating that lot. Little Pimela. We've got buzzards at home. They must be nesting close because
Right.
they're circling above the house quite a lot. Of course, in the winter they were low and no thermal.
There's certainly, I mean, we've lived in Norfolk 18 years now, and I mean, when we first came here, it was, you know, any report of a buzzard was quite exciting news. But when we go out, we don't expect to see less than about 5, do we?
Mm.
Even just locally in this area. So.
Yeah.